So I'm going to show you how to upscale a video to 60 frames a second or more in real time using a product that I've talked about before called Lossless Scaling. So you open up Lossless Scaling, set your type to LSFG 3.1, the capture API to WGC. You can turn on these options here if you want of clipping the cursor or not. The scaling, this is to scale it up. I chose FSR. And the GPU, you can choose whatever GPU you want. And I've tested this out, and you can use an internal GPU and it works just fine. Once you set this up and have this running in the background, then you can either click this scale button on the active window or do a hotkey, which is Alt-Control-S. So I'm just going to minimize this. Or when you see it, most notably when there's some panning shots, so it might be a little hard to do. Put it in full screen mode first. So full screen mode, and now I'm going to press Control-Alt-S. And now over in the corner here, you can't really see it, it's too small, but the original frames is 24 frames a second, and it's upscaling to 72 because I have a 3-time frame generation on. It's noticeable here, and when there's some panning shots, it's very noticeable. So here it is off, and it actually looks a little clunky. Look at that. That looks a little choppy. And turn the smooth motion back on, just with a hotkey, and it works. Since I rolled back to the AMD 26.5 drivers, there's some issues where if I double click to bring it back to windowed mode, it's still full screen. I have to press the hotkey to do that. But with 26.6 drivers, I can turn this on. See, if I press Control-S, it's going to make it full screen again. But it'll do it in a window and keep it as a window. You can toggle frame interpolation in real time using your GPU just by using lossless scaling. And so you can upgrade your videos in real time. Something that has been a long time coming. I don't know why we haven't been able to do that before. I mean, that's what basically FSR does. When I heard about FSR and these technologies and DLSS and all these sort of things, I'm like, that's basically what Smooth Video Project has been doing, and the GPU's doing it. Why can't we get a video player to do this? Why doesn't Windows Media Player and VLC support this natively? But you can do it with lossless scaling.